Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a truly fantastic day so far. I hope today is treating you well. In today's video I'm going to be swatching on my hand and also applying and trying on every single shade of the e.l.f. lip filler lip liners. So I have had two shades for a little while now and I absolutely love them. I've got like the nudie pink one and the red. And like I say, I absolutely love the formula. It lasts really well on me. It's just the right amount of creamy and firm where you can get a really sharp lip line, but it's still easy to use. And I've been on the hunt for a cruelty-free, affordable, easy to get your hands on, comes in a lot of different shades lip liner to go with loads of different lipstick options. Coming into autumn, I've definitely been on the hunt for a really nice plummy shade to go with more vampy colours. So I'm going to be trying them all on today and showing you what they look like on, of course, my very fair skin tone. If this is the sort of video that you are into, I would love it if you would subscribe down below. But let's just get into the swatches, shall we? I'm going to go roughly from lightest to darkest and then I will apply each one, and in between each application I am going to be putting on a little bit of the e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm. This is in the flavour strawberry, so that it gives this like glossy finish, because that's just my preference. Like, I love wearing a lip liner just with like a lip balm or like a clear lip gloss or something like that. I love that vibe. That's exactly what we're doing today. So let's just start with the lightest one, and a load of these are still in the cardboard packaging because literally got them delivered this morning. Starting with light brown, which is obviously going to be a light brown shade. We're starting light and then working our way up, and I will also show you what the end looks like. So they're a mechanical pencil, which is my preference generally speaking, and they have like a teardrop shape applicator at the end, which means that I find, as somebody who's not very good at makeup, you can really like get into your lip line. You can be really precise with it, but because it's still quite a large-ish surface area, you can also like just scribble your whole lip in fairly easily. So like I say, this is light brown and that's what that shade looks like. And I hope that you could tell there, like as I was squiggling it, how firm but also creamy these are. That's what I really like about them. They're just right. They're not too creamy where they're just gonna slip off, but they're not too firm where you have to like really scrub, because lip liners can be one or the other, can't they? But I really like the texture of these ones. Then next up we have soft pink, and this is one that I already had, so it is more used, slightly more tattered looking on the end there, but as you can see, my perfect pinky nude sort of a shade. Really like this one, wear it a ton. Then we have mauve, and this is actually the one that I'm wearing in the video today. This is the one that I already have on, so it's more cool toned, and on my skin tone, like obviously you can already see, spoiler alert, this is the one that I've got on, you can see that it is almost cool toned. It is almost like leaning on the grey side. So if you're not wanting something warm, you're not wanting something brown, but you're wanting this sort of depth, mauve. Then another new one, we have deep brown, and I'm envisioning this one being that sort of brown, like dark brown lip line where you put like a really nude on the inside and it's like a 90s dark lip liner. Ooh yeah, so it's almost like chocolatey, really nice and deep on my skin tone, obviously. On deeper skin tones that would be the most perfect nude, wouldn't it? I love that. Then we have another new one. This is hot pink, and I'm very excited to see what this will look like with more of like a vampy sort of lipstick. That's not all we're going to be doing today, but like in time, I will try that. That colour. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna love this one. Oh yes, that is Barbie Hot Pink. I love that shade. Okay, I love that shade. Obviously not one that I'm going to wear every single day, but I love that. Then we have red, classic red, and this is definitely more of like an orangey red. So I feel like with this sort of a lip liner, you could wear the same lipstick with this lip liner. So you could wear just like a neutral red, but it would look different with a pink lip liner than it would with this, because this is a lot more orangey. This is the one that I've been wearing all summer long with this lipstick, because I still have it here, the Say It Loud Satin Lipstick in Gin and Juice. That's the lip liner that I've been wearing all summer long with that lipstick. It's like the perfect combination. So the last lip liner that I have here is in the shade Plum. I originally only wanted this one. This is like how my brain works. I went online to get this one and I ended up ordering every shade. You're welcome. Oh yes, so that is a true deep plum. Okay, I love these shades. I feel like I will wear every single one of these. I love a deep lip, but I also love like a nudie lip. So I'm gonna go off, wipe off the products that I've got on, and then we'll start with the lighter shades and put on every single one of these. Okay, so once I have taken off the lip liner, I am going to be like bouncing over it with my makeup sponge, which obviously already has a little bit of the foundation left on it. And let's start with the lightest shade, which, remind myself, was light brown. Okay, so on my skin tone, that's actually showing up a lot deeper than I was necessarily expecting it to. I'm just going to like colour in the lips a little bit and then go over it with the Squeeze Me Lip Balm, just a little bit. So I feel like you can really see the colour when it's a little bit glossy. Like you can see the finished effect. So that's the shade Light Brown, and yeah, I feel like if I'm wanting something brown, if I'm wanting something that's not pink, and a little bit more neutral, this is a really great shade for me. I feel like it's, obviously I've only got quite minimal colour on. That was intentional, by the way, but I feel like it really goes with this blush nicely. I like it, it's autumnal. So then the next one down is Soft Pink. This is the one that I've had the longest. This is the one that really made me like fall in love with the formula, so I already know I really like this one. So that's just the lip liner on its own, and it is literally like my perfect My Lips But Better shade. So again, I will tap over a little bit of the lip balm. So that is what the colour looks like, all blended in with the lip balm over the top. Perfect nude? I think so. And like I say, these last so incredibly well on me anyway. I know everybody's different, but they last really, really well on me, and I love that shade. It is just like a pinky nude, but it's my perfect pinky nude for my skin tone. So then the next one is Mauve. This is the one that I had on at the beginning, but I'm going to reapply it so you can see it in like, in order. So this is what Mauve looks like. Definitely much more cool toned, definitely more of like a contoured sort of shape on me. This would look really nice actually with like a really, really light nude in the centre to really like shape the lips, but you know, this is almost like a shadowy shade on my skin tone. I like it. I don't necessarily know how much wear I'm going to get out of it, because it's more than a nude, but it's not a deep, you know, it's that sort of in-betweeny. Could definitely wear this just for an everyday, but I don't know if like the cool tone is a little bit much for me for an everyday sort of a look, but I do like it. I apologise if my lip lines start getting a little bit wonky now, you know, and I don't know if anybody else does this. I do this quite a bit. I'll like apply a lip liner, apply a lipstick, and then I'm like, I don't really like that, and I'll take it off and I'll try something else, and I'm like, I don't like that. And after you like take off and reapply a few times, it's like I don't even know where I'm meant to be putting this. But next up is deep brown. Okay, so I have like fully drawn in the lips of this one, because honestly it just looked bizarre if I didn't, but this is what the colour looks like. Honestly, I thought that I would hate this one on myself. I thought, I don't really love a brown. I definitely love something more pink on myself. I like this a lot more than I thought I was going to. And I definitely feel like, because this is a little bit more deep, I definitely feel like this is an autumnal shade on me, but one that I'm surprised I like so much. A brown, who'd have thought? So next up we have the hot pink shade. I think I'm most excited about seeing what this one looks like on me, truly. I love a deep lip, and I don't know if I've ever had like a hot pink that I love on myself, but I'm hopeful. Like, judging by the swatch, I'm hopeful for this one. Let's see. I love this colour. This is, I feel like, I love a red, okay? I love a red all year round, and I feel like I would wear this with this sort of a look, like instead of a red. Like, it's that sort of, it's not too neon. Like some pink lip liners that I've, like hot pink lip liners that I've tried before, they've felt neon and they've felt clowny and they've felt like not wearable. But I feel like this, I would just wear this, you know, how I'm going to right now, with a little bit of lip liner and then the lip balm or a clear gloss. And you know what else I really like about this colour? Obviously it's very pigmented. Obviously that was just like a couple of swipes. But then as I like smooshed my lips together, that is a technical term, it's almost like faded out the colour a little bit, like as it's blended it in. So it's creating that blended sort of an ombre look. I really like that colour. I'm thrilled, and I definitely feel like, how I was saying, this lip liner with a red lipstick versus a different lip liner but with the same lipstick, it'll give you a different vibe. I'm a big old fan. Okay, second to last shade, we're nearly done, we're nearly there, is red. Another one that I already know and love. This is the one, like I say, that I've been wearing all summer long. I absolutely love it, and I definitely feel like, although I have been wearing it all summer long, I don't know why I'm talking and thinking I can do this at the same time. Although I have been wearing this all summer long, I also feel like it's definitely autumn appropriate. So let me stop talking and apply. Tell me that that is not the most perfect orangey toned red. And like I said, I know I've been wearing this all summer long. I know if you've seen my videos in the summer, you will be bored of this lip liner and that sleek lipstick. But oh my goodness, I love this colour. So let me just put on a little bit of lip balm so that we can see the finished look. This is the red shade. It's a classic and I absolutely love it. And I also feel like another thing that is noteworthy, these are so pigmented. These are so intensely pigmented. The lighter shades, I'm not sure how they would show up on deeper skin tones, but these deeper shades, these brighter shades, will 100% give you pigment if you have deeper skin as well. and I absolutely love this shade. I don't want to take it off, but I also really want to try the plum because, like I say, that's the whole reason why I bought, how many did I buy? 5? And I'm very much looking forward to not taking this one off. I can just keep this one on now. So, like I say, the shade Plum. I have tried to be like extra neat with that one because I'm going to be leaving this one on. But that is the Plum shade. I definitely feel like I like a dark lip, okay? And I feel like I could definitely do with one a little bit darker than this. Like, don't get me wrong, I love it. And it is definitely a plummy red, but I feel like I could definitely go darker. I feel like I could definitely, like, I'm still on the hunt. This hasn't solved all of my problems, just a couple of them. So that is all of the colours. Let me know which one's your favourite. I will go over the names one last time. So we have light brown, soft pink, trying to remember which one I did next, mauve, deep brown, hot pink, red and plum. Let me know which one is your favourite if you have any of these. Let me know which one your favourite is as well. If there's any other products like this that you want to see swatched, tried on, all of the different shades, then do let me know. I have a few videos like this where I'm like trying on every single shade. I've done the e.l.f. glossy lip stains, I've done the Revolution lip liners. What else have I done? I've done a few, but if you want to see those, I will of course leave them linked up in the cards. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you want to see more swatching videos just like this one, you can subscribe down below. I will be sure to do more of these as I find more products that I'm like obsessed with and I want every single shade of. But until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye!